I've spent about 3 hours inside of SAM working, and that time inside of SAM has saved me over 350 hours of work time. Now, Cody, how do you figure that out? Well, what we've done is we've taken the average writing speed and we've applied that to this concept for words generated. An individual typically is able to type at about 40 to 50 words per minute, but when you're thinking about what you write, it actually gets skewed down to about 8 words per minute to about 11 words per minute. So that's where we start. But if for some reason you wanted to look at your work time savings and you actually wanted to build it custom to you, you can actually click on this and you can start based on a pre-generated topic. You can start writing and essentially it's going to speed check you. And then the system can customize those totals to you specifically. So that's what I've done. Turns out I write at about 14 or 16 rather words per minute. And so now it's factoring 16 words per minute to show you guys that overall time savings. So